Hey guys, this is Australian Aviary. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to have a budgie breeding setup. This is how I have my budgies. I have a male, female, that's the male there, female there. It's going to be crazy. It's female there. What I do, I give them budgie mix, fresh vegetables. I give them carrot, apple, lettuce, spinach, what do you find here? Thistle sometimes, milk thistle, so that's good for them. Here I've got a grit and cottlebone. You eat cottlebone to help the female develop the egg properly. Because if you don't supply it in that, the shell will be really fragile. Will crack easy. So supply them that, so it's good. I give them a cup of water, they can wash themselves. And now they just wash themselves from there. Then I'll have the water bottle there for them. Got the babies in here. Got 3 babies in there. Really nice babies they are. Really nice. It's a bit dirty, I know. So I'll have to clean them out tomorrow, as it's in the afternoon. So I'll do it in tomorrow morning. I know it's a bit dirty. Mostly cleaning that every week, but I think I have to do it probably mostly every day because they always make a mess. Anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment on my video for more videos. See you later. Bye.